Car's super dirty. A lot of stuff everywhere. Well, you can't see back there, but the car's dirty. My mats are disgusting. You can't see over there. But I'm just give y'all a quick update. It's been a while. I haven't posted anything in like, I don't know, at least about the Corvette in like 3-4 weeks, maybe a little over a month. I don't know. But we'll get a quick update going. And I need to get this car washed like ASAP because it is disgusting. See, look at that, man. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. I took the car to a tire place to get my brakes done, and I guess they just did not give a fuck. So I mean, hey, it happens. I don't know if you can see. You see that sheen? I don't know if they like they were like doing donuts and oil on my something. But I got new rotors, new brake pads, all around. And I got some new stuff coming. Got some new parts coming for this thing. There's a lot of stuff I need to catch up on, but I've just been trying to make sure it stays running. But as I do that, other stuff breaks at the same time. So it's kind of like a repeating cycle of like, all right, I'm about to buy parts. And then it's like, no, I'm not. I got to get this fixed first and then buy parts. But I'm praying that we can just buy some parts within the next like 5 days and then we're good. Oh, I also put some restoration stuff. I need to put some more on. It's like some plastic restoration stuff. Looks really good. I think I have it before and after. I can show you. And then I can show you like the little bottle that I have. So this is the before. Before. The difference is crazy, bro. That's the first time I've seen one of these things work, to be honest, but obviously I can't do much about this. I think these are metal, so those are gonna stay old for now. But it's a big difference. Really big difference. Here's what I'm using. Solution Finish, Black Trim Restore. This stuff's pretty good. It's a very small bottle, as you can see, but a little goes a long way. Just put it on a microfiber. Rub it down with some alcohol first. It gives you like instructions. These are the instructions. So yeah, pretty easy. And I'm gonna let it dry. It's a little damp in some areas that I couldn't really reach that well, but let it dry, see how it holds up. I don't think it's gonna rain today, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I got this on Amazon, I think. I forget how much it costs, but if I can find it, I'll post it in the comment section or the description. I'll post it in the description, yeah. But yeah, let's get this car washed. I was gonna finish the rest of the video up here, but there's somebody blasting music. Like, listen. It's actually really loud, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Put this back here. That boy got the 4Gs. That boy got the 4Gs. Sheesh. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know what the hell they put on my tires, but that shit's like eating my wheel, I think. I mean, the wheels are already old and I never planned to keep them, but like my tires are just like stained brown and like my wheel is like decaying, like it's dying. Probably oil, I don't know. I have to look again. When I tell you I see these things everywhere, ooh, crystal clear. These things are clean though, I can't even lie. That is clean. That's thumbnail right there. These new brakes feel amazing, man. That is crazy. I rode my last brakes like to death. Like they were dead when I had them changed. I had to get the rotors replaced too. So I got like excellent stopping power now. It's crazy. I'm about to go brake check somebody for real. All right, let's see what's going on here. Like, what is that? I don't even know. Is that my chrome? I think so. I don't know what the hell that is. And then you can see my tires are still like, I don't know, man. I don't know what the hell they were doing. They dumped my tire in some oil or something. But yeah, my wheels are like dying now. I don't really like these wheels anyway, but would not pay to get them repaired. I would just get new wheels because these are done. These gotta go. And the tires are nice, but a little too big. I'll probably downsize the tires, get a bigger rim. But yeah, this is a problem too. We have to take these off, take off the wheel locks, and now all of my lugs are like disgusting. Like, look at that. Same there in the rear. Damn, like my wheels are dying. What the heck? This is crazy. Is that buff out? What is this stuff? I don't know. That rubs out, but I'm not about to put in that work right now. Oh, is that my squeaking issue? Is that my squeaking issue back there? I think that end link looks done. I need to get that replaced. Luckily, I have some in my cart that I need to buy. But anyway, we can get on with the updates, I guess. Update number 1. This front driver's side light is dying, I guess. Motor's either dying or there's a issue with this little piece, this little stopper that stops the headlights from like going up too far or too far down. Apparently you either need to buy a new one or flip it. I have no idea. I haven't gotten under there yet. I usually don't drive at night anyway, so I never need to lift the lights up. I would do it now, but I don't want to do all the work to put the light down and do all that. So, but what happens is you flip the lights on, and then it either comes up, I think it comes up first, and then this one comes up, and then you let it down, it goes down, and then it comes back up, but that one stays down. But this one will go down and come back up. So I don't really know if that's a motor issue yet. I mean, the motors work, but I don't know if, again, I'm assuming it's like a stopper issue, so I have to look into that. I have a squeak in the rear, which is probably that fucking end link I just showed you. I have not been under this car at all, so I don't really know what the hell's going on underneath this car. But yeah, I want to take a look at both sides, actually. Let's zoom in on here. Yeah. That's probably my squeaking issue right there. I need to get some light in there. I don't have a flashlight on me. I'm gonna look. All right, look at this. Come on. That doesn't look good, does it? Yeah, probably should not be driving on that. I can't tell if, yeah, it's like broken. Yeah, that's fucked. And that looks like plastic. Why would they put plastic on your end link? I have no idea, but I know how to replace that. I can get that fixed, but that is, what is that dangling? Oh, I don't know what that is. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So I'll probably order some end links like today, because that's pretty bad. Okay, focus. Okay, this is the other side. It's bad, but not as bad. Obviously, it's gonna give out, so I need to go ahead and get those replaced. But that's definitely what my squeaking issue was. So I'm actually gonna order those like right now today. I don't have a squeak on the, I'm on the passenger side. I don't have a squeak on the passenger side, but now I know what the issue is, I guess. Oh, drop my camera. I don't think I have any other major issues. Brakes. I had to get my brakes repaired or replaced. I mean, everything else works fine. My traction control is basically on its way out. It's been off every single day, which I don't really need that, but you know, to each their own. Am I gonna get it fixed? Definitely not. Let's scoot up. All right, listen to this. Oh, it's off this time. Nice. Yeah, I've never really drove this car in competitive mode, and I'm definitely not about to do it now with one of my N-Links like on its last legs. Yeah, that's sketchy, bro. I really shouldn't even be driving this thing. I shouldn't be driving at all. But that's the first time I even looked to check. So now we know. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna be driving crazy. I'm gonna order that shit tonight. And I also need to order, I have that lip kit coming in, which is side skirts, wing, like a little spoiler, and a front lip, and like some canards or something. I think it's more like a mud flap than a canard. Not like an actual mud flap, but like I don't really know what it is. I have to show you when it gets here. I have that on the way. I thought about getting some wheel spacers to kind of push out my wheels a little bit more until I get wheels, just for aesthetics, really. I mean, I really just drive this car like normally. I don't really be, you know, going 130 miles an hour all the time. That's like maybe once every two. What else do I have to order? I have to order some lug nuts, which that's pretty basic. And I think that's really it, to be honest. Some weird lighting. Oh, I also need to get my rear tint replaced, because you can see it's purple in here right now. That's the reason why. The old ass tint on the rear. I think it's 5% though. But let me show y'all how lazy I am. I have not opened this yet, and my washer fluid, wiper fluid, has been empty for like probably 2 months, and I bought this like 2 months ago. I'm gonna get to it, but not today.